Guys, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we create a new form on the Clickup app. Let's get started. Once you open the Clickup, you will get this page. Now go to this space option. In this you have to click on the theme space and space setting, create new. Now go to form. Here you just can see this is the format of form, and you can just also add fields by dragging it into this area. If I click on status, then take your status and you can just add here. If you want to add start date, just here. So this is how we can just add the options from here. So now let's do this. Add name for your form and status. If you want to edit this, and you can just add status. Now if you want to add start date, then click start date. If you want to remove, then you can just remove from here. So this is how you can do this. Also, if you want to add more fields, that's just take it from here and just add here and click on the submit. You can also change this. Now thank you, your submission has been received. So you can see your form has been created here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.